ANC treasurer and Northwest businessman Suleiman Karim is testifying at the Madlanga Commission, and he has a lot of things that are noteworthy that he has to say. So, first of all, he has business dealings with Ket Matlala, which obviously, as we have looked at the Madlanga Commission, anyone who has business with Ket Matlala ends up in big trouble. So the business dealings is that they were having some tenders in the SAPS, so he was linking Ket Matlala to that. So he thought he would get money as well, so he was going to connect Ket Matlala to some people so they can get the tenders. Obviously, if you know the tender business, you end up getting some money if someone you connected to the tender ends up getting it. So the interesting thing is that as Ket Matlala and Suleiman were doing their business deals, Ket Matlala had a strange request. So he was requesting 750,000 rands, but he was requesting it for Morgan Moamela, which is the supposed nephew of Cyril Ramaphosa. So Suleiman was saying that he cannot make that kind of payment. He will only make a payment of 500,000 rands. So, yeah, man, it's quite strange. But anyways, has Suleiman Karim explaining the whole thing.
Mr. Maumela.
Mr. Mamela asked you to pay Lutaga Trading Enterprise.
Yes.
When did you speak to Mr. Mamela to receive that instruction?
It was before we got that payment. He'd already been talking to me, saying that he has spoken to Mr. Matlala, and that he asked Mr. Matlala that Mr. Matlala needs to pay him his money, and Mr. Matlala said to him he's busy talking to me.
My big question is, where did Suleiman Karim get this 500,000 rands just like that? Because they just requested the money and said he will give away the money. And he didn't just give it directly to Moamela. He used his company somewhere. So, as the ANC treasurer, did he take money from the ANC to do these business dealings for Ket Matlala? And another question is, why was he so eager to impress Ket Matlala? Was Ket Matlala so lucrative to work with? Because, that's a lot of money to just give to a person. And that's the thing. Suleiman ended up being in trouble because now he ended up borrowing Ket Matlala 8.2 million, which he never got back. So at the end, he ended up getting swindled. So, you cannot really trust people like Ket Matlala.
You're not paying me, but now you want me to pay 750 of this money. He says, no, Mr. Maumela needs the money. Can you do this? I said, look, I can't do 750. And I then agreed